today that I'm so excited about. I cannot wait to do this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, get fixed up and ready and do my strawberry blonde hair, and I will be back so we can get with the program and show you what I got. 1 second. So, as you saw a little bit earlier, I said I need to get ready, so I'm ready. I got my little glow up going on. No foundation, but just a little bit of concealer, highlight, and some oil. Pretty much, that's it. And lip gloss. And mascara. Alright, so we're going to open up this box, and as you can tell by the title, you already know what it is. Honestly, I was not expecting this box to come in today. I actually ordered this camera last Friday, which was, what was it, the 1st of January. Today's Thursday. It literally took a week. A week. All right, so a part of my package, I got a camera bag.
Oh my gosh, it looks so cute.
Yep, I got a little mini camera bag.
I want to say it could just be like this. Just carry it. Nobody gonna know.
Then, in a separate package, I should have ordered another battery, but I didn't. So, I ordered this off of Amazon, so you get like bundles. So instead of me just getting the camera itself out of Best Buy or any other place, I decided to get a bundle. You can always get the bundle deals out of Walmart or Amazon, but this one I actually got out of Amazon. So got my little cleaner, the lens cleaner. What the heck is this? This is a professional DSLR and video camera deluxe starter kit. So,
what is that?
It has a SD card, some kind of cleaning stuff. Then I don't know what that is, but here is my card here. I need a higher one. I need one that's 128.
Wait, let me zoom into it.
No, I'm gonna zoom in. I can edit to zoom it in.
Oh.
I should have got 128, but I can order another one.
I didn't know that.
Then I got the adapter.
Adapter, what's that? Adapter.
Battery charger. That's what it is. Not an adapter. It's a battery charger. So pretty much I am going to have to charge up my battery. Right.
I can't wait to start a new video with.
Okay. I don't know what it's supposed to do.
All
right, I'll put that down. Then it comes with child.
Oh, child, this stuff.
You know what? I don't even read instructions. If I would have read the paper, the list, it would tell me. So here is the I thought I was gonna have a better one than this. I don't know.
Uh-oh. You better ask for your money back.
No. Oh, you slide it out this way.
What is that? Oh, it's the stand.
Yeah.
Where you hold the camera at.
Yeah. See, now I need a stand, an actual tall stand. And I was going to order my ring light and the stand, but I was like, man, I'm not getting this until next week because my actual expected delivery date was for January 13th through the 15th, which would have been next Wednesday through Friday was the expected delivery time, and I got it a week early. So I don't even have my stand. I don't even have a ring light. I just have this miniature light right here. This, I don't know.
Oh, that's really weird. That somebody else not get to do it. What what it smells like?
I don't know.
Can you smell it?
No, get your tail back.
I want to smell it.
Bam! Here goes the camera.
Camera. The camera.
It's the camera.
The camera.
The camera.
The camera.
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 All right. You better do it, girl.
So it.
Do it.
I will speed
I
it
got
up.
the booklet. Put that to the side because I don't read instructions.
And Mommy, you're gonna lose it.
Wait, I got another battery charger?
Yep.
What? So that means I could have ordered another battery.
Get that morning.
Oh, man. I
Get
don't...
that more. You drop this stuff. You do that.
This is weird.
Put this stuff on.
So I basically have two battery chargers. So this must be the camera itself.
Ooh.
So this is my vlog camera. It's the Canon 40X optical zoom. I was on the fence of getting the G7, the Mark II G7, but I did not feel like spending $500 something. But I felt like this was the next best thing. Of course, the G7, the screen will be a little bit wider than this one, but I felt like this is a good starter camera to go off on a G7 when I'm not even that good at filming and stuff, and I'm still a beginner stage in YouTube. I felt like this was more reasonable versus buying an expensive camera and putting $200 extra on to the price of this. So I felt like I did a good job with this.
And you have another battery.
Where?
Here. And this is the thing that you connect where you hook on your arm.
What? You know all of this, girl?
Yes.
All right. So here's my battery. I am going to charge up my battery and play with. I don't have 4 batteries.
3.
I only have 1. So I need to order a backup battery, but I have 2 of these battery chargers. That's the thing. So I just wanted to come on and just share my excitement, my good news for my vlogging camera. So I have this ring light here, but I'm not sure if this would be good because it's a very, very small ring light compared to those other ring lights that I saw on Amazon. So we'll see what happens, but this is supposed to be good in low lighting, so I'm gonna see how it looks up to this. But I know I'm going to need a stand, a tripod, a higher tripod. That's on a tripod, my phone. But yeah, but anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, so I will check you guys out later. So just make sure that you go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you want to be a part of this
Video!
No, be a part of my team. My love.
Team.
Gorgeous. So
Wait.
Yeah, just go ahead and like and comment, and again, remember to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I will check you guys out a little bit later. And please go ahead and follow my daughter London on Forever Miss London. Check out her channel,
and TikTok and Instagram,
and TikTok and Instagram at Forever Miss London.
And
so I will check you guys out later. Bye.
Bye.